Here in Magento, in quick configuration settings, we added a new step, which allows us to select which product fields from Magento 2 should be attributes in order. As we know, we have a lot of different attributes and values in Magento, and on this step we will see only attributes which have drop down and minimum one value for this attribute. So if we activate some of it, for example, quantity, in stock and out of stock, the value of this attribute will be sending from Magento to Odoo. I also should notice that there is some attributes, for example, that have the same name. For example, you can see color and color, and material and material. Maybe they have different values, but in this case we couldn't select and activate two attributes with the same name. As you can see, I already activate color, and I can't activate another color. If I want to activate second, I just need to change and activate another attribute. So as example, I create a product in Magento. I selected some attributes and values for this, and after importing this product from Magento to Odoo, we received only those values and attributes that we selected on this step. For example, if I need to send additionally another attribute, for example this test attribute, and it is already set in Magento, I need to activate it on this step and then to import this product from Magento to Odoo. And after that we can see this attribute here on our Odoo side. So this is how it works.